Today I'm going to show you how to set up date-based reminders in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful for keeping your team on track with deadlines and ensuring that important dates don't slip through the cracks. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where you can see all your existing files and sheets from the homepage. Take a moment to browse through your existing files or sheets. You're looking for the specific sheet where you want to set up these date-based reminders. Once you've found it, click on it to open it up. This is the workspace where we'll be creating our automation. Now, before we proceed any further, there's an important requirement you need to check. Make sure your sheet has a column with the type set to date. This is essential because the automation we're about to create relies on date fields to trigger the reminders. If you don't have a date column yet, you'll need to add one before continuing with your sheet open and your date column confirmed. Look at the top menu bar, click on Automation. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Create from Scratch. This opens up the Automation Builder where you'll configure your reminder settings. The first thing you'll need to set up is the trigger. Click on Trigger, and from the options presented, select when the date is reached. This tells Smartsheet to watch for specific dates and act when they arrive. Here's where it gets interesting. You have the option to set either a custom date or use a date field that already exists in your sheet. For this example, we'll use a date field, specifically the due date column. This makes the automation dynamic, meaning it will work for multiple rows based on their individual due dates, rather than just one fixed date. Next, we need to set up the condition. Click on Select a field, then choose your due date column. From the condition options, select is in the next day. This means the reminder will trigger one day before the due date. Of course, you can adjust this timing to whatever suits your needs best, whether that's a week in advance or on the exact date. Now for the action part, click on Select an action and choose Alert Someone. This will send a notification to the people you specify, ensuring they're aware of the approaching deadline. You can customize who receives these alerts based on your team's needs. Once you've configured all these settings, click Save to activate your automation. Your date-based reminders are now set up and will run automatically based on the conditions you specified, and that's it. You've successfully created an automated reminder system in Smartsheet that will help keep your projects on schedule. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.